Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to make this rose bikini top. Sit tight and enjoy the video. So I'll be using these two colors of yarn, 3.5 mm hook and a 5.0 mm hook, a scissors and a measuring tape to keep the measurement. I'm using a double strand for this, so I'm just going to make a magic circle real quick. And once you're done with your magic circle, you make 5 chains. Okay, so let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the first 3 chains counts as a double crochet and the last 2 chains counts as a chain 2. Go into the space and make 1 double crochet, chain 2. So you're gonna repeat this 1 double crochet, chain 2 5 more times, making it a total of 7. Okay, okay guys, so here I have my 7 1 double crochet, chain 2. Now you're gonna close up the circle and locate the 3rd chain and make a slip stitch in there to finish up your first round. And this is what it looks like. For round 2, you're gonna chain up 1, go into the chain 2 space and make a single crochet, chain 1 and make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and chain up 1, make 1 single crochet. Okay, so go into the next chain 2 space, make a single crochet and make 1 chain and 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet. Okay, so you're gonna repeat in all chain 2 space at the end of the round. I'm here at the end of the 2nd round and this is what it looks like. Okay, so to finish up this round, you're gonna locate the first single crochet and make a slip stitch there. Then you're gonna chain up 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you're gonna be doing a back stitch. Okay, so locate the last single crochet of this part. Then you're gonna have to insert your hook through the back just like this and make your single crochet. Okay, so this is what it looks like from behind. Now you're gonna chain up 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now locate the last single crochet and walk through the back and make your single crochet. So you're gonna be repeating this in all the spaces that you have, okay, until you get to the end of the round right here. I'm here at the end of the round and this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn to this side and locate the first chain and make a slip stitch right here, eliminating the first chain. So we have 3 chains just like every other chain. So chain up 1 and go into that chain 3 space and make a single crochet, chain 1 and 5 double crochets, counting 1, 2. My hook is having a problem, I don't know why. Okay, so 3, and I don't have any other 5.0 mm hook, so I'm just gonna manage this one. Okay, so that's the 4th one. Yeah, so and 5. Okay, so I'm gonna count and we have 5 and chain up 1, go into that same space and make a single crochet. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now go into the next chain 3 space and make a single crochet, chain 1 and 5 double crochet, counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now chain 1 and make your last single crochet for the space. So this is what it looks like. You're gonna have to repeat this to the end of the round. I'm here at the end of the round and this is what our work looks like. Very beautiful, yeah, and this is the back. So you're gonna locate the first single crochet and make a slip stitch right there. Then for this next round, we're gonna chain up 5. Okay, so counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so you're gonna repeat the back stitch that you've been doing. Okay, so go through the back and make a single crochet, then you're gonna chain up 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then repeat the back stitch, then that's a single crochet. Okay, so you're gonna be repeating this all in all the spaces that you have till you get to the end of the round, where I'll meet you to show you what to do next. Okay, so I'm here at the end of the round. So you're going to locate the first chain and make a slip stitch right there, eliminating that first chain. So you have 4 chains in all. Now chain 1 and make a single crochet, chain 1, then you're going to make 7 double crochets in there. We already have 2, so counting 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Chain 1 and make your last single crochet for the space. Now going to the next chain 4 space and make a single crochet, chain 1 and 7 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then chain 1 and make your last single crochet for this space. So this is what it looks like. Now you're gonna have to repeat it all the way to the end of the round. I'll meet you there to show you what to do next. Here at the end of the round, you're gonna locate the first single crochet and make a slip stitch right there. Now you're gonna have to chain up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then continue with your back stitch, one single crochet. Okay, so just like that, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and do your back stitch. Okay, so you're gonna be repeating this chain 5 and back stitch, 1 single crochet. Okay, you're gonna be repeating it until you get to the end of the round. So I'll meet you there to show you what to do next. Okay, I'm here at the end of the round and it's looking beautiful, as you can see. So locate the first chain and make a slip stitch, eliminating the first chain. So we have a total of 5 chains for all. Chain 1 and make a single crochet, chain 1 and 9 double crochets, yeah, in that space. So we have 3 already, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now you're gonna chain 1 and make your last single crochet for the space. In the next chain 5 space, make 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so chain up 1 and make your last single crochet for the space. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so you're going to repeat it in all the chain 5 spaces to the end of the round. I'm here at the end of the round and this is what our work looks like. So you're going to locate the first single crochet and make a slip stitch. For the next round, you're going to chain up 7, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you're going to repeat your 1 single crochet back stitch just at the on the 1 single crochet space. Okay, now you're going to chain up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So go to the chain 1 single crochet and make a back stitch, 1 single crochet right there. So you're going to be repeating this in all the spaces at the end of the round. Our work is looking so beautiful. So to close up this round, you're going to locate the first chain and make a slip stitch right there. Then you chain 1, go into the chain space and make a single crochet and a chain 1 and make 1 double crochet and 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Chain up one and finish up your last single crochet for the space. Go into the next chain space and make a single crochet, chain one double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm gonna take that slowly again. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 11. Then chain one and make your last single crochet for this space. Okay, so this is what our work look like. Beautiful, yeah. So you're gonna repeat this in all the chain spaces until you get to the end of the round. So guys, I'm here at the end of the round and this is what the work look like. I'm gonna make a quick measurement to see if I have the exact inches I need. So here I have 6 inches and I'm okay with it. The next thing to do now is to locate the first single crochet and make a slip stitch right there. So then we're gonna make the strap. For me, I'm gonna make 150 chains. So I'll meet you when I'm done with mine. So guys, I'm done with my 150 chains and this is what it's looking like. The next thing to do is to chain up one again and grab your scissors and cut it off. So right now you're gonna tighten it, then you're gonna make your tie knot twice or thrice, then cut it off. Then this is what our work is looking like. Very beautiful. Okay, so the next thing to do is to add a strap that is going to go through the back. Okay, so insert your hook in one of the single crochet and make a slip knot. But for me, I didn't make a slip knot, so I just connected this way. So you could do yours the way you can. Okay, so for this I'm making 100 chains. I'm trying to hide the tail as I go along. So I'll meet you when I'm done with mine. Okay, so here I have my 100 chains. I'm gonna chain up one and I'm gonna cut the end off. Then I'm gonna tie a knot just like this. You already know. Right, so cut it off and then let's go to the next one, which is the middle strap that will be connecting the both bra together. So make a slip knot and connect your hook in one of the single crochet. For this one I only chained up 50. Okay, so I'm gonna do mine and meet you when I'm done. Okay, so once you're done with that, the next thing to do is to cover up the space. So feel free to start anywhere. Okay, so I'm going to insert my hook in one of the spaces and make a slip knot just like this. Then I'm going to connect. Okay, then chain up 2, which counts as a double crochet for me at this place, and I'm going to make 4 double crochets, making sure that I hide the tail as I go along. Okay, so this is the second one, and this is the third, and this is the fourth. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut this unwanted tail. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can now continue with your work. So you're gonna be making 5 double crochets in the next space, and this tail from the magic circle, I'm gonna be hiding it along as I go. So I'm gonna make 5 double crochet in this space and every other spaces that I have 5 double crochet until I get to the end. So I'm done with mine now. I'm going to locate the second chain and make my slip stitch right there, chain 1 and cut the yarn off. So we're gonna just hide real quick, okay, and cut it off. So this is what we have, and this is what our work is looking like right now. It's all closed up. The next thing to do now is the leaf. Okay, so you can just connect in any part you want to. So you're gonna just like slide these apart to ensure that you're working on the chain directly. So this is the part that we switch to 3.5 mm hook. Now you're gonna make your slip knots and connect your yarn right there, just this way. Then you're gonna chain up 9. Okay, so let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so now you're gonna skip the first chain, which is these, and go into the next and make a single crochet, 1 single crochet, and in the next space make 1 single crochet. In the next 2 spaces you're gonna make 1 half double crochet in each of them. So 1 half double crochet, and in the next 1 half double crochet. Okay, then in the next 2 spaces again you're gonna make 1 double crochet in each of them, and that is 1 double crochet, and in the next space 1 double crochet. So in the next 2 spaces, which is the last 2 spaces, we're gonna make 1 3-pull crochet in each of them. That is 1 2 3, 1 3-pull crochet in the last one, 1 3-pull crochet, 1 2 3, then chain 2. You can choose to chain 3, but for me I'm chaining 2. Go into the same last space and make a slip stitch. Then turn your work towards the side, and you're gonna chain 1 and 2. Then go into that same space and make your 3-pull crochet. There is 1 2 3, and in the next space remember to hide the tail along as you go, because there is no other place to hide it. It's a different color. So then in the next 2 spaces you're gonna make 1 double crochet in each of them, 1 double crochet, and in the next 1 double crochet, and in the next 2 spaces you're gonna make half double crochet in each of them. So that is half double crochet and a half double crochet, and in the next 2 spaces you're gonna make single crochet in each of them. Then you're gonna find a way to locate the chain that you skipped and go into that space. It's gonna be a little tight because, you know, just make a slip stitch and chain 1, chain 2, tighten the both and cut the yarn off. Now you're gonna just tie a knot once, because you already have a chain 2. Just tie the knot once and cut the yarn off. Okay, so you can repeat this anywhere you want. For me, I made 4 of 8, so I'm just gonna finish up with mine and then meet you when I'm done to show you how it look like. I'm done with the leaves, and this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. So you can decide to make more than these, can decide to make exactly these. So we're going to repeat everything we did from the scratch to this part for the second side of the bra. Okay, so and with this we are here at the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any question, feel free to ask me down there on the comment section down below, or chat me up and ask me. I'll always reply. Okay, so you can hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is on my Instagram, okay, and TikTok. I'm everywhere at Glossy Woolwears. Meanwhile, before I forget, thank you very much for your support. We clocked 6,000 and I'm so very happy. So bye till we meet again.